So this is second class on prepositions, and today we will fill up the blanks with the suitable prepositions. So fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. You may say fill in the blanks or fill up the blanks, all the same. There is no difference. You can say both the way. Now he is. Look at that sentence number one. He is. Here you are to supply preposition. He is contempt. There is only one preposition that can be used here, that is beneath. He is beneath contempt. Now, sentence number two. You were sitting beside me. मतलब तुम मेरे बगल में बैठ रहे थे. Next, there is a church by the river. Here by means just beside the river. There is a church by the river. नदी के आस चर्च है. Next, he came. The only preposition that will be suitable here is down. He came down the stairs. उसी के नीचे आया. I shall be here. What preposition? Here it will be during. I shall be here during holidays. Means I won't go out of the station. Next. Who can do it? Who can do it except you? Who can do it except you? तुम्हारे बिना और कौन कर सकता है इसे? I have voted him. Here for preposition. All in the blanks. You see the question, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. So for him. I have voted for him. Next. I received a letter, my friend, yesterday. So what will be here? From. I received a letter from my friend yesterday. But from can be used in other sense also, like he studies from 9 to 10 a.m. That's another use. Again, from can be used for disease, so long one suffers. Like he is suffering from dengue. But if he dies, then from will not come. Then he dies, he died of dengue. But so long someone is alive and suffering from a disease, then from will come. That's next. They live in a city, but they live at Shillong. They live in a city, they live in a village, but they live at Chimpu village. There they live in Chimpu village shall be wrong. They live in a village, but they live at Chimpu. When particular village name is mentioned. In general village, then in. He jumped the river. He jumped in the river or into the river? He jumped into the river. Why into? Because there is motion, force. The frog fell into the well. He jumped into the river. Next, he is like his father. वो अपने पिताजी के जैसा है. He is like his father. Means it resembles his father. There is no one. There is no one. What? And then blank and him. What will you write here? There is no one near him. उसका पास कोई नहीं है. The people India are rich. What preposition here? Of. The people of India are rich. He died from cancer, with cancer, at cancer, or of cancer. Here, of cancer. As I told you while discussing earlier sentence that if someone is suffering but still alive, then preposition from comes. But if someone dies because of certain disease, then or incident or accident, then of comes. He died of cancer, but he is suffering of cancer will be wrong. He is suffering from cancer, but he died of cancer. This minutely you have to understand. Next, there was a boat. The shore means, yeah, off the shore. There was a boat off the shore. मतलब किनारे में एक नाव था. The book is what preposition here? On the table. The sun was over my head. Just head ka upar means like midday 12 around you get the sun. The sun was over my head, not on my head. 18. The train passed the tunnel. What preposition is suitable, appropriate here? Here it is through. Only through. The train passed through the tunnel. Next, they came quite often. They came to me. Quite often. The man came toward me or towards me. Toward or towards me. So today these 20 sentences have been done. Similarly, these types of uh, fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions often are asked in competitive and university examinations. So to be continued, this is second class. Now in the third class, we will do a little more difficult prepositions, uses of prepositions. You also practice. Until then, see you. Goodbye. Just thanks for watching and share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much.